It's happy, it's inviting, it's cool, it's an exciting space to work in. I love coming to the office.
You know, they've got the right attitude about it. They provide an environment where you like to come to work, keeps you motivated.
Started working here because of Georgia. Really had a good connection with her when we met, and also to my teammate Janet Moore.
I really fell in love with their concept of being a boutique firm as of right now. I know we're growing rapidly. Also, the owner, Georgia Watson, she's very well educated and has been in the industry for many, many years.
She allows people to grow, and she doesn't cut your wings. She allows you to fly, and that's what I like most about her. Is there are no restrictions.
I love being here. It's open, it's fun, it's honest. Everybody here has a super high level of integrity and professionalism. They all love what they do and have a lot of passion for what they do. So the synergy here is excellent.
Everyone's friendly. We look out to help each other. I'm sure that seems to be what everybody says about their broker, but it's true here. They actually have fun.
It feels really, really warm and inviting, and I actually will be coming here more often. So.
How many people have got a yellow phone box out the front? How many people have got a swing out there for your clients and the fake grass and the picnic table? I just love this. It's like a little mini Google to me.
I love showing this space to people, even in our complex, because we'll take them to see one office building, which is a regular little office, and then they walk in here and they're like, wow, what did you guys do? And they can see what can be done to a space just like theirs to make it just that wow, Google-esque, fun, exciting environment to work in. So this place rocks.